Okay, long flight today. Going to Detroit. No problem.
Long week of flying. Full power. There's plenty of calls everywhere. It's going down at like 3,500 feet a minute.
That old pump that now can only go up to 5 for the dollars.
Okay, we're getting pretty bad icing here. Very bad. And it's gonna be fast. I have it on max. Whew, look at the camera on the wing.
I get some coffee, maybe a little bit of breakfast. Long day today. Presentations. I have meetings earlier. And then I'm gonna be trying to fly to Centennial, Colorado, to spend the night on the way to Las Vegas. It's kind of cold here. It's like 54 degrees outside, which is pretty cold. It's June, so. And I was not prepared for this, honestly. So as I'm sitting having breakfast over here at this Holiday Inn, a gentleman from Enterprises called me, and he basically super apologized about the car not having AC or, so they're gonna comp the car. So Enterprise, thank you, good job. Doing a little bit of flight planning, trying to figure out how to get to Centennial Airport in the Denver area today. So I think I'm just gonna go to Lamoni Municipal. That's Lima Whiskey Delta. It seems like a good fuel stop. Nice, comfortable airport. It's exactly the midpoint. So all headwind today. It's gonna be pretty bad, but hopefully it's gonna be kind of smooth. I hope. We'll see. But first, I gotta do a bunch of work here. I have a ton of work to do. I have a big presentation in a couple of hours, and then I'll be heading over to the airport. This was a success. I had about 32 attendees there. Wayne County Treasurers Association, WCTA, and it was pretty good. So the presentation went great, and I'm looking forward for some new business. So next up, we'll be in Colorado.
All right, day 2 of flying. So far so good. We took 55 gallons of fuel. Clear.
Lamoni traffic, Cirrus 120 Azul is turning final runway 18, full stop on. Full flaps. Confirm verified. Bounce clear outside, clear. Nobody on the scope here. Beautiful little field. Wow, it's so gorgeous here. Lamoni, Iowa. Gotta love it.
Let's put some fuel.
see. Approved. Okay.
Not much of a place here, huh? It's pretty cool. All right, let's start again.
Let's go. Full power. Just is alive. Looking good, looking for 77 knots. Yeah, baby. Lamoni, Iowa. This country is full of gems, I'll tell you. It's amazing. So we're about 15 minutes away from Centennial Airport, descending down to 9,000. They kept us on an IFR flight plan, although earlier the center said that they would give us some kind of arrival, but that never actually happened. So it's been a little choppy for the past 45-50 minutes. I say the last 50 minutes of the flight, moderate chop, but not too bad, I guess.
Here's 122, Kilo Zulu, fighting 230.
Flight heading 230, 120, thanks. Alright, here's the little bit of a routing. They're gonna just bring us in. Anywho, it's been pretty good overall. Just long day flying. So yeah, I departed at like 2:45 p.m. From Detroit, and I'm arriving at about 9:50 p.m. So it's about a 7-hour gig today, just because of all the headwind, you know, all together. About 6.5 in the air, I want to say. And approach 120 Zulu Airport inside.
Straight in, quick visual approach, runway 28.
Alright, straight in, visual approach, runway 28, 120 Zulu, thanks. It's very difficult to see the airport because of with all these glare.
Sierra Zulu, Connect Tower, 118.9er.
Over the tower, good night, Zulu.
5 Sierra Tango. Again for traffic, 8 Delta Zulu.
Tower, good evening, Sirius November 122 Sierra Zulu is on the visual runway 28.
Sirius 122 Sierra Zulu, Centennial Tower, wind 140 at 6, runway 28, clear to land.
Runway 28, clear to land, 122 Sierra Zulu and going to TAC Air.
Roger.
We're going to land with a tailwind, but that's okay. It's not that bad. The runway is pretty long, about 4,800 feet. Smaller runway, but it's okay.
Altitude 500.
Clear to the 035 left, 4 Foxtrot Romeo.
Alright, welcome to Denver. Beautiful flying today. I really enjoyed it. Get our car, find a hotel. I didn't book a hotel for tonight just because I didn't know if I even was going to be able to make it down here. And tomorrow, Las Vegas.
Take off 35 right, I'll fly runway heading.
Great service here at TAC Air. So I was gonna go work out, but instead the moment I sat down for a sec, I realized how tired I am. So I'm like, forget it, I'm just going for dinner downstairs. So there's a nice restaurant downstairs in this hotel. I'm just gonna go grab a bite real quick and then come back, do a little flight planning for tomorrow, and then be done for the day.